Have you ever wanted to create this type of animation? Well, in this video, I will teach you how to create it. First, create a new project. I will be creating a new video project. Now all you have to do is simply click on this Elements tab. From here, we will be searching for graphical item that we will be using in our design. Graphical items like from backgrounds to text elements. Click on See All. Let me re-enter the name to more specific keywords. From here I will select my background. This looks nice. Let me adjust this so it covers up my entire screen. Now for the character we will repeat the same process. Here is pro tip you should keep in mind. Since we are using animated character, make sure you toggle this option. This will only show the animated character. From here select character of your choice. Now here is the where fun begins. That is to make this character move. Simply click on this animate. Then you will see this bee icon. Click on it and drag the character from left to right. Select movement style to smooth or steady. And there you have it, a smooth walking character. Now you know the basic. Let's jump into another animation. As you can see, background is moving with the character. To make this kind of animation, I will first select on background. You can use previous background. This looks nice. Let me quickly adjust it. This time we will only use 1/3 of the background. I will use same character to remain consistent to my design. Again, I'm reminding you to make sure you click animated. Adjust and reposition. This time click on the background image, not the character. Then hit that animate button. Slowly drag the background image. Adjust the speed. And there you have it, a smooth walking character. And we will not be needing this accessory part. We will simply hit S to split the file and delete it. Now to make this animation, again search for background of your choice. Adjust. We will bring one car. Filter animated to get moving car. Let me select this one. Unlike previous animation, we will take a different approach. To do that, first we need to duplicate the file and zoom the second page. Click in between file, you will see transition option. Click on it and select match and move. Now you know the basic. Let's create this animation in part 2 of this video.